How to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app, and now you can see there is U option at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on U option, and now you can see there is view channel options on in the screen. So once you tap on view channel, you can see Shorts section in here. So let's tap on Shorts, and let me choose any of them. So let me choose the third one, and once you tap on it, you can see there is edit option in here shown in the screen. So just tap on edit option, and finally you can see there is edit icon in thumbnail shown in the screen. So let's tap on that edit icon again, and finally once you tap on it, you can successfully adjust your thumbnail from here successfully. So you can choose let's say okay. So you can see there is right side, or you can say a done button at the top right corner shown in the screen. So once everything's done, simply tap on that right button, and finally tap on save, and yeah, you will be able to save your thumbnail successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to change your thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.